All right, so I have my screen protector on. I have my official Google case on. Now my device is protected. I like to take care of my devices, and I know you do as well. So let's go ahead and set the device up finally. I always put a screen protector and a case before I even set up the device. You know, you can never be too careful when it comes to these devices, and I like to protect my investment just like my Project 13 preaches all the time. Protect that investment. Let's go ahead and hit start here. So we're going to go ahead and skip this SIM part because my SIM card is currently on my Pixel 5a. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it over right after I set this device up. Let's go ahead and log into my Wi-Fi network here. Now we are currently on, and it says getting your phone ready. Now, just to mention, this setup experience is the first time. It's been a little bit different. I don't know if it's an Android 12 thing or if it's just a Pixel thing, but it did change from last year when we set up my Pixel 5a, the Pixel 5, or the Pixel 4a, or 4 XL to be exact. So I do have my Pixel 5a here ready to rock and roll, just in case I need it nearby, so I can go ahead and copy my apps and data. Let's go ahead and hit next. Now it says use your old phone. You need your old Android or iPhone device. Remember, if you have an iPhone device, just make sure you use that little adapter they provided to you with the purchase of your phone. It's in the box. And if you don't, then it's going to be relatively simple. Just Type-C to Type-C. And let's go ahead and grab that cable. Go ahead. So first thing first, plug in your device and plug in your new device. Bling blouse. And look at that. It automatically starts to do the transfer without you doing anything. Check your phone. This is my phone right here. Bam. Copy. Unlock. And it's copying the... let me sign into my Google account. And if you have any Pixel device or any Android phone, it's even charging the new Pixel 6 device. That is absolutely fantastic. Right, so what are we gonna copy is what it states right here. Choose what to copy. Of course, apps, photos and videos, music and other stuff. So I'm not gonna copy my photos and videos. I want to keep what I recorded with my Pixel 5a here on my Pixel 5a. Obviously, if you have Google Photos, it automatically backs it up to the cloud, so you will have full access to those photos anyways, so they'll be in the cloud whatsoever. I do want to transfer over any music or any other audio that I had, any text messages of course, and MSS multimedia messages, device and whatever, so and so on and so on. Everything else Google can handle from the cloud. So we're gonna go ahead and hit copy. Same thing goes for an iPhone. If you had your iPhone over, if you really wanted to transfer over your pictures that you had on the iPhone or any contacts or anything like that, it most likely would transfer it over. So make sure you agree to these Google services here. Now if you don't agree, then I don't think you can use the phone, but it says backup from with your Google One account. I do have a Google One. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. Go ahead and say, and what we're going to do is set up our fingerprint reader here. Now I do have a screen protector, so what it says is press and hold the fingerprint sensor. Bam. Light lift and then touch again. So that was actually pretty good. Let's go ahead and add my other thumb here. And being that it has a screen protector there, it's not bad. You know what I'm saying? It actually did pretty well.
Someone's at the front door.
And what you just heard was my Nest doorbell. Spooky. So let's go ahead and hit continue. agree. It's probably going to say that it already knows my voice here. Obviously, agree. So it does transfer over your Google Pay account, your GPay, whatever card you had added on default. It's going to transfer it over. Any other cards you're going to have to do, it's going to ask you if you have anything else, email, anything you want to go ahead and do. I'm going to go ahead and no, I am all the way done. And it says get more tips. Yes, of course, I'm always in. And it's going to start doing the data transfer. It was already doing a little bit of it in the background. As you can see, I got about 10 minutes left. So let's going to go ahead and let that ride and come back when we're done. Your phone is almost ready and I'm super excited. That's how we get down over here. So copying everything from the Pixel 5a is done. You can go ahead and hit close. Getting your phone ready right there. This may take a few minutes. So with your old device, whether it be your Pixel, any Android device, or your iPhone, you can go ahead and unplug it because we no longer need it. Bow. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and unplug this from the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, I gotta say, man, the Pixel 6 Pro is looking fantastic. Hardware-wise, software-wise, you already know what it's gonna be like. It's gonna be amazing. I can't go too much into detail, but y'all better be ready. Be ready. Get your phone ready. It says getting your phone ready, but y'all need to be ready. You know, I gotta be ready when this thing comes out. So I'm gonna let this thing do its thing. So we're ready to rock and roll. The setup has been completed, and look at this. Let's go ahead and try it. So it's going to give you a quick, if you're new to Android, make sure you follow these tips. It says swipe to go home. Obviously, you're going to swipe from up. Nice. You completed the go home gesture. Next up, learn how to go back. Let's go ahead and hit back from the side here, or any side you can go back. You know what I'm saying? Or switch apps. You're going to go ahead and swipe from the bottom and hold, and you're done. So that is a quick demonstration on the navigation gestures on Android. Any Android device, if from 11, 10, I don't know if it's 10, Android 11, 10, Android 10, 11, or the new 12. Let's go ahead, and it says it is all done. As you can see, bam, my new Pixel is set up. It's still downloading some of the apps in the background, but for the most part, it's all set up, ready to rock and roll. If you have any questions regarding this setup process, which is relatively super easy, whether you have a Pixel, a Android device, or any other Android device, or an iPhone, make sure you let me know down in the comment section below, and I will try to help you to the best of my ability. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.